Yes! I did it.
GG.
I beat it. Oh, my fudge.
Can I please pass this freaking room, please? How the crap can face me a level, but I can't pass a single dang thing? Good grief. Did you get it on recording?
Yeah, I did. 2,450
Okay, good.
attempts. Alright,
Nice.
I'll do the opinions live here in VC.
Before you end the recording, Kata is 20 million times harder than Aku for the life of me.
Alright, opinions on Breadboard. It's really good, but there's some inconsistent parts. There's a really dumb part. Kept dying at 56 multiple times because it's really inconsistent. It's really hard to get past that slope at sometimes, and the click at 84% is like freaking impossible or something. Like
You literally died at 96.
Because I got a lag spike.
Oh, that was a lag spike? Well, there goes Breadbox for ya.
Breadboard. Breadbox. Wait, no. Hold on. Here, I'm deleting my comment. No, here. There, I put Breadbox as my comment. There. There we go. Breadbox.
That's good. Oh, yes.
Alright, well, finally, that's done.